So I'd get up in the night, needing to go to the loo, stand for some long time, trying to get a flow started, get back to bed, only to find, I think I have to go back again.
So after running a few investigations and tests, I was able to ascertain that there was an enlargement in his prostate that was causing these symptoms. Aquablation is a revolutionary treatment that uses a high-intensity water jet guided by a robot in order to remove excess prostatic tissue without causing any damage to the neighboring structures. There will be no incisions and no heat used.
On the day of the surgery, I arrived at reception, was quickly picked up by the nurse who took me up to the room I was allocated.
I met with Roddy. We went through the consent form together. I explained to him again what the procedure consists of and what he should expect. He then went to theaters. He was put to sleep. I performed the procedure, which took about 45 to 60 minutes. Following that, Roddy woke up in recovery and was taken to the ward.
I was in for one overnight. I was fortunate that one of the aspects of the procedure is that after it, I was catheterized to ensure I could pass urine and that all the fluid that was being used to flush the operation site.
I then came back to see him later on in the evening and the next following day, and we managed to remove the catheter. He was emptying his bladder well and managed to go home the next day after the procedure.
We had a follow-up with Wissam to do a uriflow test, tripled my flow rate and essentially completely emptied my bladder. So that was a big positive change from where I'd been before.
He was managing to go through the night while only having to wake up once or not having to wake up at all. He seemed to be very happy with the results of the procedure. He looked like someone who had had a very good night's sleep after years and years of not getting any.
I would recommend Aquablation to anyone for whom it's suitable. It delivered all the things that I was hoping for. No pain at the procedure site, a really pretty quick recovery, no infection, no lasting effects from the procedure. I'm very happy with the choice that I made, and I'd recommend it without hesitation.